Your oven is lying to you. You might set your oven to 350, but inside it's heating and cooling constantly, so it's probably off by 30 to 50 degrees. That's a big problem, since cooking is a function of time and temperature. If one of those is off, the whole formula is wrong. We thought home cooks deserved an easy fix. Introducing the Misen Oven Steel. Made out of A36 steel, it'll keep your oven more accurate, give you better browning, and more evenly cooked food. It turns your $500 oven into a $5,000 one. How does it work? Simple. An oven is designed to turn on and off over and over while you're using it, in order to keep it within a range of a selected temperature. This causes fluctuations of up to 50 degrees above and below what you actually want. But thanks to steel's incredibly high thermal mass, it acts like a thermal battery in your oven. It collects and redistributes your oven's heat, reducing those variations to a range of only 5 to 10 degrees. Whether you're roasting on a sheet pan, braising in your Dutch oven, or cooking foods right on the steel, your oven will simply do its job better. You can just leave it there and let it do its magic. There are a few things that make the Misen Oven Steel special. First is its thickness. We tested a lot of options to find the perfect balance of thermal mass and weight. Choosing A36 carbon steel, we made ours 6 millimeters thick. Thicker steel was so heavy it was nearly impossible to move around, and thinner steel didn't have enough thermal mass, and so wasn't as effective at stabilizing the temperature fluctuations of a home oven. 6 millimeters was just right. Second is its size. It's 10 inches by 13.5 inches, making it a little smaller than other steels and stones. This makes it easier to maneuver while still being large enough for a standard quarter sheet roasting pan. What we sacrificed in size, we made up in versatility. 2 steels can be placed side by side in the oven, giving you more total surface area than anything else on the market. And with 2 steels, you can also put them on different racks in your oven for better overall cooking. It's a trick some pro chefs use in restaurants. This puts a thermal mass both above and below your food at the same time, giving it the intense heat it needs for crispier crusts and intense sears. Altogether, the oven steel is for so much more than just bread and pizza. Simply having one in your oven, you'll get better browning, more evenly cooked food, and more predictable cooking times every single time you use your oven. Like all Misen products, we spent hundreds of hours designing and testing to get the small things right. It may seem like a simple piece of steel, but obsessing over the details helped us perfect its features. Our designs and tooling are done, and we're ready to go straight into production. But first, we need your help. Your pledge will help make the Misen Oven Steel available to home cooks everywhere. So from all of us at Misen, thank you and happy cooking.